So hello my dear friends and dear children, welcome back to my another video. So today I am discussing about maths chapter class 5. In this video I am discussing about math step 5. In this so let's get started. Just come after just come after I am discussing just come just before this video I am discussing 1 to 4 1 to 3 questions solved. I am discussing about 4 number question. So let's get started. So first of all I am right now heading my question heading is write the place value. So write the place value. Let's get started. Write the place write the place value. So given number first 6 in 15604. So in this given number and ask you this question 6 place value. 6 value of 6 place. So first of all I am count number ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. That's thousand means 6 into thousand. 6 of the which place of 6? This which place of thousands? Thousands place of thousands. So this our answer is 600 is the correct answer. So next question, and this question is each digit in this number, and this in this question and they ask me so place value of each digit in this. So our question second, each digit in 3 4 5 6. So first of all I am right now this number. So 6 value of 6, the place value of 6 place value is 6 into in the value of ones. So ones is equal to 1, and next place value of 5. So 5 value of present in tens place. So multiply by 10, and this our answer is 50. And the third is value of 2 into value of third 100 place value of 100 multiply 100. So our answer is 200. Second, third, fourth, the value of 4 place value of 4 multiply by 1000. So our question is in the our answer is 400. So for third question is into 10,000. 10,000 0 0 0 0 and correct. This is our answer. And the value of place value so I am discussing now fourth question. So next day I am question solved is a 5 6 7 8 9 10. So thank you for all of you, and this I am ready to place, and thank you for the watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video. Next day I will meet you. Thank you.